All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so just like what I mentioned last meeting, all of our remaining meetings or all of our meetings will be just the consultation meetings since all of the discussions are already made. So let me ask you guys, does anyone has a questions or clarification or any concern regarding with week 1 and 2? If none, just give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that you're okay with everything. 1, 2, 3 doesn't have a question. What about the others? What about the others? It's like I don't know, 7 out of 20 are responded with a thumbs up. Okay, I'll wait 1 minute. Does anyone has a question or clarification? So how was the pre-made video from part 1, part 2 to part 3? Are they clear so far to you guys? Were you guys able to follow, the ways I'm, explaining things with this compiled video? Hello? Were you guys okay with this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there's really no question, huh? All right, so I guess that's good news for me. That only means that you were able to follow everything, you were able to understand everything, like let's say 90 to 100% clearly. Okay, well, just in case I need more information, so you can check this links right here. So there's quite a lot. Well, if you cannot find that specific topic under this, watch the following videos and enhance your learning, you can search on the YouTube itself if that existing topic is not in there. Okay. Anyway, so if there is really no question, again, I'll just remind you guys that the due dates of your activities under week 1 and 2 will be until March 14 only. So you guys still have a week from now. Okay. So while we still have 2 weeks from now, I already did publish this week 3. So even though we're not at week 3 yet, so I'll publish it as early as of now so that you can, or so that you will have enough time to finish everything. Okay. So again, we only have 2 modules before your midterm exam. So this is already the last one, module 2, language of mathematics. Okay. So let's go over to the overview real quick. So again, I'll leave the reading to you guys. So this is the topic learning outcomes. We have 4, and then here are the the list of topics that will be discussed under this module. So sets, sequences, and strings, relations. So this one is actually quite familiar with your Math 100. So if you are already done with that one, then this one is an easy peasy topics already. Okay. Well, except the equivalence, matrices, and then functions, you guys are already familiar with this one. Well, except for those 2 topics, I guess. So those are the new topics for this module. And then again, we have the list of external links that might be helpful to supplement your learnings regarding with that specific topic. So just check this one out if you really need to learn more about the topic. Well, if you have already understood everything with the given module or with the pre-made video, then there is no need for you to check all of those external links anymore. Okay. And then we have one PDF, and then here are the list of references. Okay. So are we clear with the module overview for week 3? All right. So just let me know if you have a question, okay? Don't be shy to raise your hand or just speak right away, okay? Anyway, so yeah, that's it for the overview. And then here is the module. So just check this one out later on. So this is the 53 slides only compared to the module 1, which is divided into 3 parts. So this one is quite long. While in module 2, this one is only up to 53 slides. Okay, so just check this one out later on. Then again, we have here the watch videos, wherein we have here the pre-made video. So just check this one out later on. So this is an hour and 48-minute video discussing the entire module 2. Okay. And we have some practice exercises. My bad. Just hit the back button. And then we have here the practice exercises. Well, again, this is just to test your knowledge regarding with that specific topic. So it's not necessary that you have to answer this one. Okay, this is just a preparation before you can before you can take these assessments right here. So we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 activities only under this one, and then 1 case study. Okay. So yeah, just 8 activities under module 2 or week 2. Then right after that will be the midterm exam ready. Okay. So are we clear? Were you guys able to follow everything?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, that's already it for today's meeting. If you guys already have a question, then we are already done. So the rest of our time, up to 3:30, you can use it to finish all the necessary activities that you are not yet finished. So yeah, let's just meet again next week. Just to finalize everything regarding with your midterms. So good luck in advance. And yeah, as always, thank you guys for coming. I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much. And yeah, you guys may now go. A blessed day to all of you, and then keep safe.
Sir, happy lunch.
Happy lunch to.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you, sir. Happy ML.